Hi everyone. Now I want to talk about automatic keywords detection. Zipf's law, differences in application for Slavic and Germanic languages. So today, when technology has reached such a level that it can process text, one of the most important features is the automatic recognition of keywords. So for example, a person can let a machine read a bunch of different articles, and with the help of this feature, I mean the detection of keywords, the person will already know which articles contain the necessary information. But detecting keywords is still a daunting task. There are several algorithms, but now I want to relate this issue to the Zipf's law. So if you look at this text, read it, then keywords will appear in your mind. But computer has neither mind nor imagination, at least for yet. So one American man, whose last name is Zipf, found a regularity in the iterations of words. Thus, if you count the iterations of all words, it turns out that, and it's logically, that the frequency of some words is higher and of some words is lower. Here, if you count, for example, the number of words cloud and in, then cloud occurs only once, and in occurs as many as 5 times. And Zipf did this with all the words and found a pattern which happens almost everywhere. And everywhere, yes. The frequency of words will be inversely proportional to their rank. He counted the number of each word, sorted them in descending order, and called the index in that order a rank. So the first word has the highest frequency, the second has the frequency 2 times lower than the first, the third has 3 times less frequency than the first, and so on. And if we take these values by the logarithm, we will see the exponential dependence. We can see in this picture the results of this Zipf's law experiment among different languages. And we can see that in the middle that the data match and diverge slightly only at the beginning and at the end. For example, the most common Ukrainian word has lower frequency than the most common Spanish word. And what about keywords recognition? Another experiment was also conducted and found that keywords are distinguished by the number of iterations. But there are other words such as articles or conjunctions that are repeated more often. So it was found that words are in the range as noted in the picture, namely between 10% and 20% in the array of word frequencies. Therefore, modern algorithms use it boldly and give fairly accurate results. To sum up, Zipf's law works not only in language, but also I can assume that everywhere, according to experiments, both in frequencies of heartbeat and in frequencies of flashes in the sun. Well, everywhere. This keyword detection approach will be very useful for me in my project, so I will absolutely use it. And that's all.